Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate a message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. And for example, I'm going to translate a message from my friend on Instagram. I'm going to go to this room chat, and then for example guys, I'm going to translate this message. If we want to translate, we can tap and hold on the message we want to translate, and then there will be some options for us, and since we want to translate, we can choose translate. Okay, and this is the translation of this message. You will be able to hide the translation and also show the translation like this. Okay, and the Instagram will translate the message to your language. I mean, the language you use on Instagram, and I use English languages on my Instagram, so the message will be translated to English, and you'll be able to translate your own message on Instagram. Wait, I'm going to send a message. For example, I'm going to send message in Indonesian language like this guys. Wait, and I'm going to send it to my friend, and if we want to translate our own message, we can just do the same. Tap and hold on the message and click on translate. Alright, and if you want to change the language for the translation, you need to change language on your Instagram. You can go to your setting on Instagram, and you're going to go to the language setting. Okay, as you can see guys, now I used the English language. My current language is English, and if we want to change it, we just need to click on the language we want to apply to the Instagram, and then the translation will be set to the language you use on Instagram, and I'm just going to use English. Okay, that's so easy, right? We just need to tap and hold on the message and click on the translate, and we'll get the translation from Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate a message on Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!